Here's an exciting update for our North Carolina agents. So many of you have said on a personal auto policy, we do have the capability to get an FS-1 form, but why do we not have the same capability on a business auto policy? Well, with this update, now you will. So you can go under your vehicle, and now you'll see the FS-1 category here. And you can include your drivers if you want to, can include driver's license date of birth, effective date, and let's see, we got an FS1 code. All right, we can view. And now we would be able to print this FS1 form on this business auto policy. So we hope this is going to be helpful for your agency for going forward. Please reach out if you have any questions.